Hello traders, I hope guys you had a wonderful day today. Today is 12th of October 2021, Tuesday. As always, I would like to show you how I analyze market and help my traders to bank amazing profit. Yesterday we had a bank holiday in the US and Canada. We haven't seen any volatility, but we managed beautiful pips, especially yesterday London morning session. Even today, let me share with you guys how I managed beautiful pips yesterday and today through live intraday analysis. Let's dig into the system. And if you don't want to miss my latest analysis update review, feel free to subscribe this channel. Let's dig into the three major currency pair, Euro USD, Pound Dollar, and the Dollar CAD. If you look at the Euro USD trade, in 4 hour, you can see the price develop a bearish flag pattern. We are short on Euro USD, bank beautiful pips. And let me share with you guys how I analyze an intraday. And if you look at the intraday chart, you can see from yesterday, we had this breakout short trade here, beautiful few pp's, and today, as explained to my trader based on the 4 hour price action and the price developer downside channel pattern in intraday, we had expecting a pullback at this level. As you can see here, price nicely developed pullback and breakout. Some of the traders are still holding this trade, but we managed beautiful pips on Euro USD. So we'll see tomorrow how the market is going to react. If the market is going to break the previous low, then probably expecting a nice short trade here, otherwise reversal. All right, let's move into the pound dollar. Pound dollar, we had a quite interesting trade. Let me share with you guys. If you look at the 4 hour chart, we were long as soon as the market opened, bank beautiful pips, and afterwards we were short from yesterday, bank beautiful pips until here. And today morning, once this see the rejection, we were long, bank beautiful pips, and after the New York session we were also short. Let me share with you guys how I analyzed this in intraday and bank amazing profit on pound dollar. And if you look at the pound dollar intraday system, as you can see here, from at the market open, I did this analysis, look for this breakout, price nicely broken and pulled back at this level. You can see here, this is the trade. As soon as the price hit to the major resistance level, that's what we explained to my trader, it's time to bank some profit. We had a beautiful long trade here, and after the target hit at the London morning session yesterday, beautiful, explained to my trader, look for this breakout. As you can see here, price nicely broken even after the breakout pullback, because we're watching in 4 hour. You can see here, price came back and retest, and that's the beautiful short trade, bank beautiful pips on pound dollar. And afterwards, as you can see here at the New York session yesterday, we had this false breakout which we communicate with our traders, price nicely hit, but explained to my trader, look for the short trade here based on the momentum. We had this beautiful breakout short trade here on pound dollar yesterday. This morning, as you can see here, London open, we have another beautiful pullback. As soon as the price broken here, we have pulled back another short trade here intraday, and we announced this pullback as soon as the price hit to the support level. As you can see, the previous low level in 4 hour, and that's what I explained to my trader, it's time to bank some profit. We had a beautiful trade here on this morning, and afterwards, as you can see here, price reversed. And that's what we explained to my trader, the price develop a false breakout, the safest way if the price is going to break the previous high and retest. And that's what we explained to my trader. We have this breakout after the breakout pullback, because we were watching this candle in 4 hour. Based on that beautiful breakout, long trade, first target hit. I also updated this analysis, said you can add another scaling trade and the target would be this level, which price nicely hit, by the way. As you can see here, this is the update of that analysis, beautiful breakout as soon as the price hit to the level, and that's what we explained to my trader, it's time to bank some profit. At the New York session, as you can see here, afterwards price came back here. After this breakout, price did not develop a pullback here, but the price broke on this level. This is the false breakout. After the breakout, price retest, and that's what I explained to my trader, look possibility of short, but the safest way to look for this breakout consolidation. As you can see here, price nicely broken even after the breakout. As you can see here, price nicely came back and developed a pullback as soon as the price hit to the previous low level in 4 hour. Again, explained to my trader, it's time to bank some profit. So we had really enjoyed it, the whole journey. As you can see here, long and short through the intraday, bank amazing profit. Let's move into the dollar CAD. dollar CAD, we are short from yesterday. As you can see here, last week we were long. This morning, yesterday we had a long trade here, and today once the price developed, respected this level, as you can see here, and that's why we explained to my trader it's time to take a short trade here and keep taking a pullback short trade here. More likely price might gonna break the previous low as well. So some of the traders are still holding the short trade here. Let me share with you the intraday analysis, how I analyze market and bank beautiful pips on dollar CAD. Okay, so this morning, as I explained to my trader, once we see this pattern here, price respected this resistance. That's what we explained to my trader. Beautiful breakout and keep taking a pullback. Beautiful short trade here. And even today, after that, the New York session, I also did another analysis. Price developed this pattern, keep taking a pullback. Some of the traders are still holding the short trade here, buying beautiful pips. Even now, you can see here, this was the breakout. Price nicely broken and still holding short trade. Some of the traders in the target would be this blue pip channel. Let you know tomorrow, but we managed beautiful pips on dollar CAD. And the best trade we had it from yesterday, that was the dollar yen and all the yen pair, dollar yen, euro yen, pound yen. We made amazing profit. And if you look at the dollar yen, if you look at the 4-hour chart, as you can see here, this was the breakout yesterday at the market open, and that's what we explained to trader. Just keep taking a pullback here. Even today we had a counter short trade here and afterwards long trade here. Let me share with you guys quickly how I analyze dollar yen, bank beautiful pips, amazing profit, guys. Okay, so this is the market open. As you can see in intraday, this is the previous high as mentioned in 4-hour. Price nicely broken, and afterward explained to my trader, just keep taking pullbacks, pullback, second pullback, and afterwards we keep taking a pullbacks. Even yesterday at the London morning session and the New York session, we explained to trader, just keep taking a pullback. You can see here another pullback, bank beautiful pips. Today we had a one small counter short trade here. As soon as the price hit this level, at the support level, explained to trader, consider banking some pips because this is the counter short trade here. And afterwards I also updated this analysis. As you can see here, explained most of the traders, they were talking either it's gonna go high or low. I said, guys, we're going to trade what we see and not what we think. So that's what I did this analysis and look for this breakout. As you can see, based on the analysis, we had a beautiful breakout, afterwards pullback. Some of the traders are still holding, but we managed beautiful pips. All right, guys, I hope you enjoy all this analysis. As always mentioned, that you should be watching those analyses in real time and banking profit in real time through live intraday analysis with the live audio commentary support. And the most important thing is you're going to develop your trading skill in real time through live intraday analysis. And once you develop your trading skill and produce consistency result, I can also help you to get funded. If you are interested how I train and coach my traders through live intraday analysis in real time, how I help them to get funded, I'm offering free one-to-one consultation. My availability calendar link is also given at the video description. Feel free, myself or one of my professional team member will show you how you can become a successful trader and get funded. Or even if you are experienced trader, as you have seen, this is purely price action trading, and I'm pretty sure you're enjoying pipping alongside with my other traders. So most welcome to join my fast growing trader community. Once again, thank you for watching this video. Have a nice evening. Until next time, all the best.